Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, before we start any reaction video, I want to say something regarding this upcoming Nagaland Music Award 2020. So this year, one of my friend, has been voted or like nominated. I'm sorry, has been nominated for Best EDM. So please, guys, vote for him. I'm gonna share the link on my description below, so please go and check out, and please even if you don't subscribe also, please just like and share as much as you can so that you can win the award. And yes, the EMA are back, and keep voting for your favorite, as I'm always keep on voting for my favorite, that is BTS, Lady Gaga and Blackpink. So please vote. And I'm so upset, like, for the Billboard music this year. I mean, BTS has been nominated so many things, but like, come on, seriously, like, didn't win any award, like just one. That's so unfair, guys. That's so unfair. Anyway, forget about that. And this year, Miss World, Miss Universe, oh my god, I mean, like, lots of things are gonna happen. So like, even if it's lockdown, the show must go on, as we all know that. So we're just keeping our finger crossed and hoping for like to go with the flow. And let's see. And today I'm gonna do a reaction on English Maker. I guess he's one of the funniest entertainer in Northeast. I guess for me, I should say Northeast, because it's so entertaining. You must watch him, subscribe him, and you'll feel the fun, the the vibes. Yeah. So today I'm a feel that way. So I'm gonna see the reaction on his dictionary, the English dictionary, what he's up to. Let's continue, guys. I'm damn excited. Are you? Yay.
Good morning, guys. Today I'm English teacher. Today I'm English teacher happen, guys. Here is today I'm teaching you about grammar. Here is the grammar, and here is the my English dictionary. You can see here is the English Maker dictionary.
So I mean, like, look at the spelling of the dictionary. It's like a dick. I mean, the D. Dick. Sin. Dictionary. Alright. Sorry for being negative minded here, but I'm gonna, keep that to myself now. Oh, that's.
I can teach you English Maker dictionary, how to pronounce, how to. Here is the lockdown happen now, guys. Here is the college, school, tuition are also locked down, but my brain is not locked down. I can teaching you guys. I can teaching you about grammar. Holy moly, guys.
That's so true. Like, even if it's a lockdown, complete lockdown, our brain is not locked down. Wow. That's so cool. And holy moly, alright.
Today I'm English teacher. Today I'm English teacher happen, guys. Here is today I'm teaching you about grammar. Here is the grammar, and here is the my English dictionary. You can see here is the English Maker dictionary. I can teach you English Maker dictionary, how to pronounce, how to. Here is the lockdown happen now, guys. Here is the college, school, tuition are also locked down, but my brain is not locked down. I can teaching you guys. I can teaching you about grammar, how to pronounce. And guys, this video is not for kids. This video is only for legend. If kids are watching, then get lost. Sorry, guys. And here is the my dictionary. Here is the I am known about everything know about this dictionary, because I already by hearting about this dictionary. You can ask me anything means, guys. I answer. And I am today teaching you without free. Oh, sorry, guys. I am teaching you. Let's start the grammar first, guys. I think you guys are already forgetting about grammar, because too much lockdown happened, too much quarantine happened. Now you can watch me and learn from me, guys. And here is I'm writing here. Here is the I'm teaching you first subjective, or subjective, and here is the objective, and here is the objective. Here is the subjective, objective, guys. And here is the I am right example. Today in objective today I am Guwahati, guys. Here is the sentence happens, guys. Easy, guys, easy. Here is the subjective happen today, objective happen I am, objective happen Guwahati. Today I am Guwahati, sentence happen. And here is another one is today I am cooker boy. Easy, guys. Here say already first you know about subjective, subjunctive, objective. Oh, sorry, guys. Here is the subjective, not present. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Apologize. And today I am break up. And here's one example. He is my ex-girlfriend. Easy, guys. He is my ex-girlfriend. Oh, sorry, guys. Because she is girl, na. That's why. She pen here. She pen, not she. First, you have to know about this. This one is girl or male or female. There is if female happen, then she pen. If boy happen, then here he pen. You already know about this one. She is my ex-girlfriend. And here is the he is doggy style. Cute. He is doggy style. Easy, guys. And ignore my handwriting, guys, because my handwriting is looking like a doctor handwriting. I think I'm becoming in future doctor. That's why handwriting is becoming doctor look like a. And ignore my handwriting, guys. Focus on my talent. But handwriting does not matter in talent, na, guys. Handwriting does not matter. And also, and guys, you know about vowel. Forgetting or not, guys, vowel, VOWEL, vowel. This is very important in grammar, guys. Vowel. How many alphabet have in vowel, guys? If teacher questioning about you know. But in vowel, here is 5 alphabet have, guys. Vowel in A, I, O, A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U. Here is the 5 alphabet, guys, in vowel. A, E, I, O, U. Vowel in alphabet. You have to know about this, guys. She's very coming in examining master degree also, in interview also. He is very coming. And you guys are confusing about this one. That's why you have to know. And guys, this one is very, very important. Look carefully, guys. Fill in the blank with appreciate coordinating conjunction, guys. Now I am here is fill in the blank. Now here is the now I am blank in fill giving. Here is what have, guys. Hari Jadu go to school every day. What happened, guys? I tell you. Hari love Jadu go to school every day. Love. Hari loves Jadu go to school every day, guys. Here is the, guys, sentence happen, guys. Hari loves Jadu go to school every day. Easy, guys. Here is only fill up the blank. He is honest. His brother is wicked. He is honest. Oh, here is O happen. He is honest. Here is work hard, you will fail. Here is what is happen. Work hard, otherwise you will fail. Yeah, guys. Here is otherwise. Work hard, otherwise you will fail. Here is, guys, easy sentence happens, guys. They you are guilty. They loves. And another one, number 5 is Dipen and Biju are good player. Here is what happen. Football. Football. Dipen and Biju are good player. Easy. Biren will read or do sums. And the read. Easy. My sister is intelligent and diligent. My sister is cute, intelligent and gorgeous. He will fail. Masi may try. He will fail. Otherwise happen here. Otherwise. He is called me. I am very angry. I don't know, guys, what is about this one sentence. I think these are the wrong. He cannot see. He is blind. He cannot see because he is blind. She will have tea or coffee. Red tea or coffee, guys. Neither he love his brother play cricket well. Laugh happen, guys. Easy, guys. You guys are knowing or not? Look carefully, guys. And bye bye, guys. If you are interesting in this blog, I mean this in tuition classes, you can share, guys. You can follow my Facebook page, and you can share, guys, everything. Bye bye, guys. If you wanted next teacher blog, comment me. Bye bye, guys.
All right. What just happened here? Like, guys, if you want to take tuition with him, please just, go. Go and have it. I mean, he's full of fun. I just love it. That fill up the planes was like really amazing. Like, I never thought he could do that. What? That was fun, right, guys? I enjoyed a lot, guys. What about you? If you have enjoyed, then please comment down, and you can subscribe him, English Maker, English teacher. If you want to, have a better vocabulary, or like be very smart in grammar, or fluent in English, you can just subscribe him and get tutor yourself, so that you'll get better and better. And who knows, you might forget your name. Part of a joke. Totally amazing. I just love how he entertained people, and like just from a small thing he just grew. Like, that was so, you know hard work, being like, setting up a goal to reach that point where he should have. And that what it matters. Believe in yourself, you can achieve anything. So that's how we did, that's how we followed. And that was amazing. Just love him. I just want to meet him like in person and talk regarding this thing. So if you like him, please go and subscribe, and please comment down your reviews, how it was, how you have taken up this tuition classes for this particular reaction, or like for this particular video. So that's it for today. Until then, next week, please, 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 guys, subscribe and share and give a thumbs up always, and keep supporting me always. Even though my video sucks here, totally, like, it sucks, but I need your support, guys. I really need your support. So please keep on supporting me. And though I'm just a normal guy without anything, no lights, no people around here, no scripts. I'm just being me here. This just my raw video, and I'm just gonna edit it out myself. So, and don't forget to vote for your favorite on EMA Europe Music Award 2020. Vote for your favorite, and please, guys, vote for Blackpink, BTS, and Lady Gaga. Do that, guys. I just hope this year is gonna be an amazing year. It's gonna be an amazing year. So I'm hoping for this year to go, smoothly, even though there's a pandemic. Just spread love, and make sure that you stay safe, be safe, and always keep your your fingers on the like button, subscribe button, everything, guys. And I'll share. Bye, guys. Love you.